back to my channel, guys. So I know I've been missing for probably like a few weeks. Life goes on. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to attempt to tint my eyebrows with beard dye. I saw videos on this before, and like as you can see, my eyebrows are halfway noticeable, but I want them to be all the way there. So we're gonna try this, and yes, I know I'm bugging from doing this in my room, but it is what it is, and life goes on. Let's get to it. Okay. Before we start, you want to make sure that you wash your face, like make sure that there's no oils or anything on your eyebrow. What is this? Oh, it comes with gloves. Okay, so the kit has this tray, which I guess is for mixing, and it has like little, so you know like where to put your thingies. What is this? Oh, coming soon package. Your instructions. And I think these are gloves. Yeah, these are gloves. And you have your color developer, boom, and your color base, boom. And then this little brush, but I didn't think this through. I didn't expect the brush to be this big. It is what it is, we'll figure it out. Alright, so let me read the instructions. Wearing gloves, squeeze a line from color base tube into the mixing tray, squeeze an equal amount of color developer into it. For best results, mix product with the plastic end of the brush until thoroughly blended. Wash face after application, not before. Okay, so I lied. I was not supposed to wash my face before I started this. Oh, shoot. 5 minutes. Okay, it is what it is. Let's get started. So on my tray. I forgot, guys. I know safety first. Comes with, damn, this is a big hand. I forgot one thing. I have petroleum jelly. I think this counts as petroleum jelly, but I'm putting this around my eyebrows so it's not on my skin. And you also need paper towels and what are these? Q-tips. So let me line myself up real quick. I'm a dinkleberry because I should have brushed my eyebrows before I did this. Look at them brows. See, I've never got like threaded or anything or like waxed because I don't have enough eyebrows for that. So the only thing this quarantine is messing up is my nails. What? Okay. I don't think I need a lot because it's only my eyebrows. On the bright side, at least I can use this over and over again. Oops. Oh. My little baby hands cannot. I'm scared. Can't really. Okay. I don't know how much I'm supposed to put. Definitely just poked myself in the eye with my finger. Okay, so it's on my brows right now. It's looking pretty chunky. So the instructions said to wait 5 minutes. So I'm gonna wait 6 just in case. And then I will be right back. So I literally have like, oops, what did I do? Oh my god. Like a minute left. But I'm getting scared. Like, bro, I'm so scared. Stressed. Should I wait this whole minute? Is it really gonna make a difference? Oh my gosh. First of all, one eyebrow looks super thick. Like, okay, so it's been about the 6 minutes already, so we're gonna wipe this off. And bro, I'm so scared. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but literally one eyebrow is darker than the other. Caterpillar, calm. Caterpillar, calm. What am I gonna do? Do I only like fill in one eyebrow for now, or should I just go back in? Bro. I'm going back in with this one. I'm not going out like this. Nope. Okay, even though I know like this one came out a little darker, I'm just doing like the little hairs in the front that I forgot to dye. And then this little tail back here. He needs some love. This is what it looked like. Before it was lighter, but I guess because of the air and whatever. And I dyed my fingers. Okay. I'm wiping this off because I don't want it to be too dark in certain spots. Honestly, I might have done something. Really did something. Cause look, no eyebrows where? Yeah, okay. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. Oh. So this is like the final result. I like washed my face and everything. The light is making me look so oily. Anyway, if you like me and you got thin eyebrows that don't show, you better go over to Family Dollar and get some of this. Like, I'm really pleased with this. I'm so proud of myself because I'm literally a walking catastrophe and everything that I do is usually a fail. But today, it wasn't a fail and I'm proud of myself. Yay! Round of applause. Thank you. Okay, anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, like, this is the end of the video. Next week, I'm definitely gonna have more content for you guys. Like, school's over. So, yay. Yeah.